This is our next topic today. Topic is about problem with nouns is divided into four. Dibaginya empat, Mister Mister. Empat dari skill 39 sampai 42. Use the correct singular or plural noun. Honestly, is it so much easy if you are see like pakai s dengan tidak, yang to be-nya pakai was dengan were. But seperti biasa, kalau di TOEFL pastinya lah. Tricky, gampang. Kalau kalau grammar secara umum it's not difficult. Distinguish countable and uncountable noun, and then recognize irregular singular and plural nouns. It means irregular plural noun sama yang singularnya. Distinguish the person from the thing. Is it quite little bit make sedikit, bukan sedikit apa ya? Banyak. Banyak membingungkan 42 skill 42. Oke, let's 39. Use the correct singular and the plural noun. Di sini ada catatan yang bagian setelah. On the table, ini kan depannya ya, kayak preposition, place. On the table, there were many dish. Harusnya kalau pakai many berarti banyak atau plural. Jadi seharusnya yang dibintangin ini bukan dish, but we say that dishes. Sebenarnya harus ditambahin dengan is. Kayak kan dia plural. Begitu pula dengan yang di bawahnya. The lab assistant finished every test. Tapi pakai is. Sementara penanda every ini adalah singular. Sehingga kalau dia mau pakai every in the first one, you didn't need to use s-nya. Tidak perlu pakai s-nya. S-nya dihilangkan aja, nggak apa-apa. Tapi kalau misalnya mau pakai s-nya, berarti yang harus diganti adalah every-nya. Next one ada di bagian pinggirnya. Uji punya di sini. Punya keywords for singular and the plural nouns. Yang kalau singular noun atau noun yang single, namanya singular atau yang single. Yang single biasanya yang single itu awalannya each, every, single, ini intinya. One atau pakai artikel atau an. Misalnya ada an atau an. Next one, kita punya for plural noun. Untuk plural noun, kita punya both. Karena kalau pakai both pasti dua. Buat apa and apa. Gitu. And then two, because two more than one, like two, three, dan seterusnya. Terus ada many, ada several, and various. Sebenarnya ada is nih kayaknya. Terusnya ada is. This is the exercise here. Let's see. Di bagian number one. Di bagian number one, the automotive shop stock many parts. Oke. Harusnya yang bagian ini menjadi many parts. Karena dia kan pakai kata many. Gitu. Jadi rujukannya ke parts ini jadinya harusnya jadi plural atau jadi banyak. Jadi kita harus tambahkan s. Ini aja. Ini ditambahkan tambah S. Parts. Dan for the various types. Oke, yang ini di bagian berikutnya sudah benar. Various types. Oke. Terus nomor 2, nilai benar karena every receipt it can be only one. Yang ini cuma single, ini berarti single. Penanda singular berarti receipt-nya tidak apa-apa. Satu, nggak perlu pakai S. That's why. Is it the correct one? Miss and Mister, now I invite you to see number 4 till number 10. Number 4, number 3 till number 10. The sales clerk demonstrated various additional way that the machine could be used. Can you find out where is the mistake in this part? Good. Okay, Mr. Eddie. Mr. Eddie. Yes, good job. We have ways. Harusnya the sales clerk demonstrates various tape yang di sini. Nah, ini mestinya pakai S, dirujuk dari kata various. Kalau various menuju ke ini, various mestinya ke sini. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Eddie. Next part. Okay, thank you, Mr. Sumarta. Yeah. Number 4, the woman found it difficult to believe that both of the piece of jewelry had disappeared. The woman found it difficult to believe that both of the, okay. Yeah. All right. Is there anyone else? All right, Mr. Sumarta. Mr. Sumarta, would you like to share with us how you decided number 4? Is it incorrect?
Because the both of the pieces, I think that's
Yeah, that's good.
because plural.
Plural mark. Penanda pluralnya ya, Mr. Both of seharusnya kita rujukannya ke situ. Harusnya ke peaches. Oke deh. Mestinya ini ditambahin S. Ini mestinya tambahin S. Karena dari kata buat tadi. Oke. Aman ya. Number 4. Dan let's invite number 5. Masih incorrect. 4. The unhappy man became more and more discouraged with each passing days. Yeah, Mr. Eddie. Okay, who else? After Mr. Eddie? Yes, Mr. Sumarta. It is so much easy for this part. Mr. Randy, come on, Mr. Randy. Kita punya each di sini. Terus yang dirujuk harusnya adalah ini dia. Yang dirujuk seharusnya adalah days setelahnya. That's why each passing day harusnya tidak boleh pakai S ya. Jadi harusnya kayak begini. Okay, so number 5 still incorrect. Number 6, an extended cruise would be a nice way to spend a vacation one days. Which one is mistake? Okay, number 6. Is there anyone else? Okay, so 2 people said that one is correct and another one is incorrect. I need another one. Come on. Who else? Mr. Randy, what about you, Mr. Randy? Would you like to decide it for us? Number 6 ini kira-kira jawabannya apa, Mister? Okay, number 6 is incorrect. Nomor 6 itu salah. Dari an extended cruise would be a nice way to spend a vacation must be 1 day. We didn't need to say days. Terusnya ke situ rujukannya dari kata a vacation 1 day. Ini juga satu. Number 7, the manager was surprised that not a single worker was available on Tuesday. What about number 7? Oh, really? Okay. What about Mr. All right, don't worry. Oke, kita simpan number 6. Kita simpan number 6 ya. Because Mr. Eddie said, Miss, 1 day, is it an adverb on time? Okay, yeah. All right. We will see number 6. Number 7, is it number 6? Number 7, is it number 7 is it correct one? Number 7 aman ya. The manager was surprised that not single worker was available on Tuesday. Nomor 7. Nomor 8. Setelah itu kita back nomor 6 karena ada pendapat dari members indirect message. We will see, okay? Number 8. Number 8, a housekeeper cleaned the room and took 2 of the occupants' rest to the laundry. Okay. I also said I did correct. Ya, yes, it must be incorrect karena harusnya dia pakai dresses. Took off to the occupation. Ini harusnya plus es. Plus es di atas di dressnya. Dressnya mestinya plus es. Dresses. Karena to yang bagian ini. Karena kita punya to, so we must be put es in dresses. Number 9, when the first bill was defeated and the Senate immediately began work on a different bills. What about this part? Correct or incorrect? Yes. Is there anyone else? Thank you so much, Oka. 2 people said is it incorrect because yeah, I also decided number 9 is incorrect. When the first bill was defeated, the Senate immediately began work on a different bills. Oh, different bill. We must be remove S. Remove it. Okay. And then number 10, there were several boxes in the cupboard and each box contain a dozen glasses. What about this one? A dozen glasses. Oh yeah, it's okay. Dozen glasses. Each box. What about number 10? Is it good? Application. An extended will be nice to spend. I think so. Okay. Yeah. Okay. By the way, we will back to number 6. Kita kembali nomor 6, Mr. Mister. Ada yang bilang nomor 6 correct, ada yang bilang incorrect nih. One of our friends decided number 6 is it correct? Because one day it's not the cows, but one day is the adverb. Ada yang opinion, not. They said one day is it a verb on time? Okay, adverb time. Yang merujuk katanya suatu hari, tapi bukan satu hari. What about you guys? Do you have the same opinion like this? How many people say yes and how many people say no? Number 6. I invite all of Miss and Mr. join here to decide number 6 again. Is it correct or incorrect? I will give you the chance. Number 6. What about that? Is it correct or not? Ada yang jawab incorrect, ada yang correct. Sekali lagi nih, I invite Mr. Randy, I invite Mr. Astrid. It's okay, let's having it. Mr. Sumarta also give an answer, not a mistake. What about number 6? An extended cruise would be a nice way to spend a vacation one day. Yeah, I think so. Okay. All right. Is it number 6? We back to. Okay.
May I add it, Miss?
Sure, why not?
Okay. That I think it is correct sentence because one days is referred to adverb of time.
Yeah.
Is similar to one times. One times although it's just one, but times is have s on the end one times. So if we look to the meaning of this sentence, that it is tell us that a vacation one days or one times whenever it's, and if we if we going cruise in maybe in Costa Concordia, maybe, or some any other yacht or any other cruise ship. I think is cannot we sail in just one day. It's maybe 1 week or 2 week or maybe in 1 month. That's why I use that one day is not refer to one days exactly, but one day as meaning of adverb of time. Suatu hari nanti mungkin atau gitu, atau suatu hari.
Yeah, it can be. I also take the opinion. I mean, I received the idea. I received the explanation because yeah, it can be. But we will invite another one. We will listen another
Okay,
one.
thank
One
you,
more,
Miss.
another one. You're welcome, Mr. Eddie. Don't worry. We are coming here for sharing together. Another one. Come on. I want to say that. Honestly, one times, I guess we can say that once. Once. I don't make mistake, right? Once. And then twice, and next triples, and so on. If I'm not mistaken, this one. I mean, sometimes I forget once. Yeah, once. If I'm not mistaken. So I think yeah, but I'm not sure because they said one. If you use one based on the keywords app, they always say one. It must be singular. And even if we use one days as at first time, but we back to this part. One is the singular for the noun one. That's why we must be remove the s. Okay, in days, yeah. All right, don't worry, it's okay. Yeah. There are so many, especially in the speaking. Sometimes speaking break the rules because we understand each other. But when we go to these rules, when they are said one or a, it must be singular in this part. And the rule above of the text, above of the exercise. So that's why I decided number 6, and I wish Mr. Eddie also. We decided one day only. We didn't need to put S here because I take it from this part. We only have one, and also we have a vacation, and must be one day. Sekali we can say that once or twice at per of time if I'm not mistaken. So correct me, please. Okay. By the way, I love it. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Eddie. At least Mr. Eddie recalls all of our brain energy to break and decided number 6 answer. Let's move to now skill 14. Distinguish between countable and countable nouns. I forgot. Who asked us about countable and uncountable now? Last week or maybe 2 weeks ago. I forgot. Here we go. We will discuss about it more deeply. Countable noun can come in quantities 1, yeah, or 2 or 100. At least you can count. And then uncountable noun comes in some indeterminate quantity or mass, such as a milk and happiness, and also like money. You cannot count money. You just count the currency, but not the money. The nominal, not the money, not the currency. Okay. We have two example here. Example is always easy, right? Kalau example selalu gampang. Di sini bintang-bintangnya ini mistake, Miss dan Mister. He has seen much. Seharusnya kan many. Ketukar ini tempatnya. Many foreign films. Terus he didn't have much fun. Karena fun kan jadinya uncountable. Yang much itu buat uncountable. Yang many itu buat yang bisa dihitung atau countable. Tapi tidak merujuk ke sini at the movies. Karena at the movies ini, the movies-nya adalah bagian dari prepositionnya. Here we go. This is the keywords or this part we have the keywords or we have the rules here. Ada yang countable dan uncountable. Punya mark, penandanya atau sign-nya many untuk countable, number, few, or fewer. And then kalau buat uncountable artinya banyak yang ini. Beberapa, you can say the amount, sedikit, little, also sedikit. Jadinya less. Okay. Here we go. Number 1, he received little notice Okay. He received little notice that the bill would have a paid in full. Okay, little, aman, terus notice. You cannot count the notice, but it's also noun. Number 2. The police had a few opportunities to catch the thief who had committed a large amount of crimes. Okay. How much price? Yeah. Money is uncountable. Uang itu tidak terhitung. Siapa yang bisa hitung uang? Tidak ada yang bisa hitung uang sebenarnya, Mister. Uang itu banyak di dunia ini, sebanyak-banyaknya negara. Yang kita hitung adalah nominalnya. We didn't count the money. Money is uncountable. Makanya kalau ditanya how much price tentang harga, harga juga masuknya countable. Uncountable. Harga, money, uang. We will try to check it. You can check it in the online dictionary. Ya, boleh. Coba lihat. Tapi the things that I remember, money is uncountable. Money itu tidak bisa dihitung. Okay, next number 2. The police had few opportunities to catch a thief who had committed a large amount. Ini masuknya crimes karena enggak. Amount ini salah karena crimes ini kriminal ya. Kasus kriminalnya it can be count. And then here we go. Crimes, is it something can count? Please a moment. Let me check it. I'm afraid if it crime countable or not. I'm afraid for this one. Daripada ragu-ragu. Crime. Kejahatan ya, Mister. Yes. Crime, is it a noun? Dan dia, oh, uncountable. Oke, ini aman. Yang ini kayaknya. Yang ini yang opportunities. Kesempatan. Must be opportunity. Is it okay, can be countable, can be uncountable. Kadang-kadang dia countable, kadang-kadang uncountable. Jadi kalau dia pakai few, it must be, but I guess is it uncountable? The plural one. Plural. Which one? Fewer 16 itu termasuk comparative, Miss. Iya, fewer. The police had a few opportunities. This must be, no, we must be, opportunities can be countable. Kesempatan countable sometimes and sometimes is it uncountable. Tapi kalau dia opportunities, it can be a plural one. So we must be used few or a little opportunity. Little opportunity because this one kesempatan we have the plural tapi ini kesempatan we can also this one. Yang ini yang seharusnya ini masuk di uncountable. Number 3. What about this one? You will have fewer problems with your income taxes if you get professional help. What about this one? Number 3. Oke, Mr. Lukman Zaisi, kayaknya incorrect kakak. Selain Mr. Lukman nih, is there anyone else? Go ahead. What about this one? Paling sedikit, semakin sedikit. You will have fewer problems with your income taxes if you get professional help. What about this one? Incorrect from Mr. Lukman. What about another one? Incorrect or correct? Okay, all of people said that. Is it correct? Incorrect. I will invite who else? Problem, fever countable. I would like to invite one of our friends here, maybe Mr. Lukman first. Mr. Lukman. Mr. Lukman, would you like to share with us why you decided number 3 is correct? No, incorrect. Oh, okay, don't worry. All right. So, would you like to share with us, Mr. Asri?
Okay, Miss. I choose incorrect because problem is uncountable nouns.
Okay, problem, because problem is uncountable noun.
Yep.
What about if problem is uncountable noun and we must be used, if this is uncountable noun, berarti yang ini mestinya apa, Mister? Kira-kira. It can be changed into?
Less, I
Yeah,
think.
we can change both of them. Okay. Okay, but let me see, is it uncountable, countable? Okay, we cannot. Must be used this one, and then this one. Oh, make a mistake. Fewer. 2, problem. Next, number 4. After the strike, the company dismissed many employees. What about this side? Is it so good? I think is it incorrect because problem is uncountable, so should use less. Okay, yeah. Okay, so all of people answer number 1. Number 4 is correct. Okay, thank you, Mr. Eddie. Thank you, Mr. Lukman, Mr. Asri, yeah, Mr. Smart also. After the strike, company dismissed many employees. Okay, aman ya, Mister. Nah, ini sama di belakangnya. Employees. Okay. Next one, number 5. Because the bottom corner of the pocket was torn, much coin fell out. Okay, what about this one? Let's say coin, it's gonna count. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It must be changed much to be many. Must be used many here. Must be used many coins fell out. So we decided number 5 is incorrect. Number 6, since he bought the new adapter, he has Less trouble. And the medicine. Less trouble. Less trouble. Ah. What about trouble? Can you count the trouble? I think so. We cannot count the trouble. Trouble is something like, yeah, you can count how many times the trouble happens, but the trouble itself, we cannot count it.
Udah minum nggak, Mbak?
Oh, another one say, is it correct? Okay, don't worry. Yeah, I don't think so. Less. Oh, benar nggak ya? Less. Oh ya. Oh, by the way, Mr. Randy. I wish Mr. Randy agree with us. Mr. Randy, gimana nih nomor 6-nya? Boleh, Mister?
I think trouble is
Oke.
countable.
Right. It must be, seharusnya benar ya, Mister. Must be correct. Karena memang tempat temennya. Trouble, we cannot count. Gak bisa counting the trouble. Yang bisa tuh kalau berapa kali, gitu. Next, move to number 7. There are much new items to purchase before leaving, and there is such a short amount of time. What about number 7, Miss and Mister? Let's send your answer for number 7. Miss, skill 40 itu singular atau plural? Skill 40 dia mainnya di plural, if I'm not. Skill 40. Distinguish countable and countable nouns. I guess they use a plural one. Mainnya plural. Mainnya di yang banyak. Yeah. No. This one. In this part, we decided the apa ya? Kita decided penandanya, marknya, less, fewer, few, little, itu based on the countable, based on the noun-nya. Apakah noun-nya itu bisa dihitung atau tidak? Bisa dihitung atau tidak? Dan seharusnya juga, iya, boleh tambahinnya troubles. Boleh. Iya, iya. Iya, iya, Mister, ya. Mas, D-nya troubles. Ya, you're right. Harusnya kalau dia plural ya. Nah, lihat dulu trouble ini plural apa singular? Trouble. Oh ya, must be put as. You're right. Kita must be put as. Kalau dia larinya ke singular, karena kan sebenarnya yang many much itu untuk plural, about number, untuk yang lebih dari satu. Cuma posisinya apakah dia countable noun atau uncountable noun. Jadi kalau misalnya number 6 pakainya less, mestinya dia troubles. Kan? Kayak gitu. Entah dia countable atau tidak, mestinya dia pakai is. Karena ada ininya, apa namanya? Kan dia lebih dari satu harusnya plural, troubles. Thank you so much, Mister. Kita back ya, nomor 6. Mana ya? I will try to describe about this one. We will describe about the countable and uncountable noun. Biasanya uncountable noun itu, Mister, yang apa ya? Kayak begini, kayak trouble itu uncountable kalau dia masuknya di situasi. Situasi. Masuk di situasi kayak apa ya? Kayak kesulitan, keadaan yang begitu. Dia kan kita nggak bisa hitung kesulitan itu. Kayak gimana ya, Mister? Kita nggak bisa hitung kesulitan itu. Yang bisa kita hitung berapa kali kita menghadapi kesulitan. Biasanya keraguan, kan kita nggak bisa menghitung seberapa ragu orang tersebut. Kayak gitu. Kesulitan yang relatif yang setiap orang kira-kira berbeda. Kadang-kadang mereka itu adalah uncountable yang tidak dapat dihitung. Sebenarnya ciri-ciri uncountable ini banyak, Mister. Salah satunya itu, kalau misalnya dia relatif. Kayak, apa ya yang relatif? Kayak gitu. Ini, uang relatif, harga relatif. Terus apa lagi ya? What else, Mister? Trouble, iya. Terus di atas tadi ada kayaknya. Kesempatan. Ini kan kesempatan itu bisa dihitung tidak? Gitu. Kadang-kadang bisa dihitung, kadang-kadang tidak. Saya dapat kesempatan, misalnya saya dapat kesempatan wawancara. You cannot count how many times he got. Kesempatan wawancaranya berapa kali, berapa banyak. Atau teman-teman kita berkesempatan atau kesempatan kita kali ini. So, kesempatan jadinya uncountable. Kayak gitu. Tapi kadang-kadang kesempatan ini bisa jadi countable juga. Kondisi tertentu. Yang jelas kalau misalnya rasa-rasanya di situ dia apa ya, nggak bisa dihitung di kalimat itu. Maksudnya relatif. Gimana ya cara? Dia nggak dihitung pokoknya dia jadinya uncountable. Nah ini dia. Harusnya kalau less ya troubles. Troubles itu mau plural dia kah? Mau dia plural dia ditentukan apakah countable atau uncountable. Saat ini ya skill 40. Number 7. Yuk. There are much new items to purchase before leaving and there is much a short amount of time. Time itu uncountable. Tidak boleh, tidak bisa dihitung. Amount berarti benar. Terus apa lagi, Mister? Oke, bagian atas. Waktu itu tidak bisa dihitung. Kita nggak bisa hitung waktu. Tapi ada kata 1 kali, 2 kali, 4 kali. Nah, itu pakainya is, times. Yang itu jadinya bisa kehitung. Tapi dasarnya time itu nggak bisa kehitung. What about number 7, Miss and Mister? Yes, number 7 is, yeah, thank you, Mr. Eddie. Thank you, Mr. Lukman. Is it incorrect? Yang salah di bagian match, seharusnya kan many. Karena item, new item. Bendanya. Bendanya bisa dihitung. So, we can say it. Okay. Number 8, the less time you take on the assignment, yeah. The less time you take on the assignment, the less pages you will complete. What about number 8? Do you get it? Where is the mistake? I would like to invite Mr. Asri. Mr. Asri.
Um, the second press, Miss, I think the pages should use fewer or number.
Iya. Oke, di sini masih banyak
Because
pilihannya.
page is countable.
Iya, because pages is countable. Oke. Kita boleh bilang many or few or fewer number of pages. Oke. Because there is the less, we must be use fewer. But time in there is need as or not, Miss. Okay.
Miss, saya bisa
We didn't
tambahkan yang
need
tadi yang
as.
dibahas nggak?
Yes, Mister.
Ya, saya dapat di Google, katanya berdasarkan aturan struktur kata, kata benda yang dapat dihitung atau countable bisa menggunakan singular atau plural, sementara yang uncountable cuma menggunakan kata benda dalam bentuk tunggal singular.
Alright.
Itu yang mungkin yang
Must
maksudnya
be,
yang tadi ya, yang
yeah.
less trouble.
Okay. If we use less trouble, it must be remove the s.
Number 6.
Number 6. We must be
Yes.
remove the s, Mister.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. If
Because
we
the
remove
uncountable is use a singular
singular
noun.
form,
A verb. Yes, yes.
singular nounnya, it must be trouble. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the sentence, since he bought the new adapter, he has had less trouble.
Yes.
Okay.
Not
And
use
how
as.
about less uncountable trouble? Okay, without s. We didn't use s. Is it correct or incorrect? Is it correct, right? If trouble is uncountable and we can use s, so number 6, is it C? Right, Mister?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let me see my answer here. I also answer it first. Number 6 were 40. Yes, I also think so. Number 7, there are much new items to purchase. Okay, udah aman. Fewer pages. That's all. Is it incorrect or correct? Less time. Time-nya nggak perlu. Time-nya it's okay. Time-nya tidak perlu pakai S. Karena time-nya memang sudah bentuknya kayak begitu. Okay, number 9, Mister. Thank you so much, Mr. Astri. Thank you so much. Number 9. What about this one? A few soldiers who had been in a heavy combat were put back for a little rest. Number 9. Yeah. Number 9 is correct answer. Yay. Thank you so much, Mr. Miss. And then the last one. It's better to go shopping in the late evening because there are less people in the market and you can accomplish a number of tasks in a short period of time. It's better to go shopping in the late evening because there are less people. Person. Yeah. Okay. Because we can counting people. I mean, people have people, personnya satu, people-nya untuk yang banyak. It means we can count the person or people. That's why we must be change less-nya. Less-nya harusnya menjadi second phrase. Okay. You can accomplish a number of tasks. Yeah, also tasknya bisa dihitung ya, Mister. Iya, mantap. Ini harusnya part S. Must be task, a number. Okay, a number of a task. Okay. What else? Where is less people? Less people. People is uncomfortable. Okay. I would like to invite ada lagi Mister, Miss. Yo, nomor 10. Is it correct or incorrect? A number itu jadinya plural atau singular, Miss? Number kalau kita pulang ke rules-nya mestinya dia jadinya a number, is it a singular one? Jadinya satu. Tapi beberapa, jadinya beberapa of a task. A number of a task. I guess there is something mistake in the second one. Kayaknya di bagian nomor 2 kayak it's okay. Sepaket beberapa, a number, it's kind of like a fewer. Beberapa task in a short period of time. All right. Let's invite Mr. Asri firstly. Mr. Asri. Come on, Mr. Asri. Mr. Asri. Mr. Asri, what about the second sentence? The second sentence. Yeah, the second phrase, second sentence. And you can accomplish a number of tasks in a short period of time. Oh, aduh lupa. Sorry, Mister. Okay. All right. But honestly, I don't think so. We must be changed a number of tasks. Karena number of tasks itu kurang lebih kayak viewer. Kayak kurang lebihnya kayak begitu. Typo lagi ya, Mister. Oke. Mestinya yang diganti yang ini. Yang diganti adalah less-nya karena people kan bisa dihitung. People itu countable. Jadi boleh gantinya viewer. Di depannya ada sesuatu enggak ada. Nah, ini boleh viewer. Yang bagian di bawah, a number of a task, itu tidak perlu diganti karena task itu kan countable. Berarti memang dia harus ditambahin S supaya dia bisa jadi plural. Jadi yang kedua nggak apa-apa, nggak usah kita ganti. Oke, yang nomor 10, terus ada incorrect. Miss, apakah boleh disimpulkan countable untuk plural dan uncountable itu untuk singular? Oh, kesimpulan. Bisa seperti itu, Mister. Boleh. Tadi kalau tadi Mister siapa yang sharing ke kita? Lupa sih. Tadi ketika dia bendanya uncountable, ketika bendanya uncountable, dia boleh di plus sama yang singular aja, bentuk singularnya. Gak usah di plus apa-apa. Makanya tadi jadinya nomor 6 ini benar. Karena posisinya uncountable. Kalau dia bendanya uncountable, berarti dia disingularkan aja. Gak usah ditambahin apa-apa. Jadi kalau dia misalnya penandanya dulu, marknya dulu, mark uncountable atau countable-nya, setelah itu diikuti dengan Kalau misalnya bendanya countable, kalau misalnya bendanya uncountable, nah ini means tidak perlu ditambahin, tidak perlu berubah, dia tetap dibentuk singular benda itu. Benda itu tetap dibentuk singular. Yang jadi perubahan kalau misalnya dia uncountable. Ini dia posisinya jadi plural. Nah, ini dia. Gitu. Ya, Mr. Asri. Ya, Mr. Asri. Jadi kayak gitu. Nah, kah? Hmm. Oke. Let's see together. Oke, Oke, dalam aturannya struktur katanya benda yang dihitung kan tebal, memiliki bentuk yang tunggal. Oke, sementara kalau kata benda yang dapat dihitung, boleh, berarti boleh. Boleh kan tebal, oh boleh, boleh kan tebal, boleh kan tebal, boleh plural, boleh singular, boleh plural. Tapi larinya ke situ, jadi ke situ. Ini boleh plural, boleh singular. Tapi kalau singular, ngapain ditambahin yang few, many, amount, little, begitu. Kalau singular mestinya dia atau an, kan? Kalau singular, bolehnya an, kayak bentar. Every. Tadi kalau singular posisinya di depan. Jadi kalau yang ini kita fokusnya ke plural aja. Karena kalau dia singular, ngapain kita bilang banyak? Kecuali kayak gula. Oke. Jadi yang untuk ini kita pakainya kan tebel aja. Iya, memang dia bisa ada yang plural, yang singular, tapi bagian depan yang tadi dia singular. Kan tebel noun itu ada yang singular. Tapi kalau yang ini fokusnya kita ke plural di bagian yang dalam sini. Oke. Nah, ini dia 41. Nah, kalau kita balik nah ini. Yang ini untuk singular sama plural noun. Kalau plural, kalau singular pasti penandanya each, every, single, one, both, so many, several, and various itu untuk plural. Tapi ketika dia masuk di sini, masuk di poin 40, dia fokusnya ke lebih dari satu pastinya. Tapi jadi sifat penentunya adalah apakah dia bisa dihitung atau dia nggak bisa dihitung. Begitu. Oke, kita mau ke 41 ya, Miss dan Mister. Skill 41, recognize irregular singular and plural noun. Nah, ini dia. Oke, ini paling banyak. I take the notes yang tulisannya the irregular forms. Bentuk irregular itu paling problematik dari bentuk plural karena tidak selamanya that do not end in s. Nah, yang karena nggak selamanya pakai s. Bentuk singular itu nggak selamanya pakai s. Kayak person, tidak person tapi people. Child, jadinya children. Apalagi ya Mister yang berubah jauh. Hmm, I forgot. Jadi banyak yang berubah kayak begitu. Oh, ini men women, sorry. Ya. Oke, yang di irregular plural kayak perubahan bunyi, perubahan vowel, perubahan vokal a i u e o. Kayak dari man itu cuma satu, man, it's lebih dari satu, yang plural. Woman, women. Terus food dan feed, tooth and teeth. Goose, geese, mouse, mice. Ya, ini yang kalau dia berakhiran in. Kayak child, jadinya children, ox, jadinya oxen. Tapi ada beberapa kata benda plural yang singular dengan pluralnya sama. Kayak deer, fish, salmon, sheep, and trout. Ada beberapa kasus nanti jadinya fishes kalau dia fishnya lebih dari satu jenis. Tapi kalau fishnya itu semuanya sama jenisnya, kayak karapu semua. Atau misalnya salmon semua, itu bilangnya fish. Tapi kalau Mister punya lebih dari satu jenis fish, boleh pulangnya dua fishes, it's okay. Tapi hanya kalau jenisnya beda. Kayak ada, misalnya di situ ada you have ikan karapu atau ikan salmon, tapi satu. You can say that, I have two fishes, this one. Punya dua, tapi kan dua jenisnya beda. Tapi biasanya paling banyak dipakai itu fish nggak berubah. Okay, the next one we have IS dengan IS. Yang dari analysis menjadi analysis, axis, okay, dan so on. Ada ini, hypothesis, and so on. Yang berubah bagian belakangnya. Terus dari, ini yang Mister, kadang-kadang ini yang membuat kita terkecoh pikirannya, oh ini satu, oh ini apa ya? Kadang-kadang we didn't relate it. Not only you, saya pun begitu, Miss. Kadang less ends in okay. Nah, ini yang kalau dari bacterium menjadi bakteria, yang singularnya bacteria menjadi bakteria, curriculum, curricula, datum, data, phenomenon, so on. Dia menjadi plural ketika hilang. Minus A. Details. Ini kalau dia hilang terus ditambahin A. Terus yang ini US menjadi IS. Alumni, Bacilli, Cacti, Fungi menjadi Fungus. Fungus is it if I'm not mistaken, Fungus is the plural one. Let me see. Yeah, I see that. Syllabi. Fungus. Additional exercise to practice this irregular plurals of noun appear. Okay. So Miss and Mr. you can see this one. Ada beberapa yang memang tidak ganti. Tapi ada yang kalau berubah, nah perubahannya kayak begini. Aneh-aneh. Here we go. This is the skill 41. In the skill 41, number 1, parenthesis is needed around that expression. Oh my God. The parenthesis is the plural one. That's why we must be use are. Indeed is. Mestinya Miss dan Mister pakainya are, nggak pakai is. He wants to go on a fishing trip this weekend because he has heard that the fish, because bentuknya fish itu boleh singular, boleh plural. Makanya di sini jadi korek karena fishnya dihitung sebagai bentuk singular. Namanya mau pergi fishing, pastinya
Karena berarti yang nggak mau
there are many fish.
ini
Number 3. Okay. Number 3, the syllabus for the course is included in the pocket of the materials. Syllabus is the plural one. Ini plural syllabus. Hah. The syllabus for the courses is ini harusnya correct. Kalau kita bagi-bagi, ini subjek. For the courses itu bukan. Ini subjeknya. For the courses itu prepositionnya. Jadi itu object preposition dan nggak bisa jadi subjek. Terus ini verbnya, Mister. Udah aman. Cuma karena the syllabi ini adalah plural. Iya. Makanya dia jadinya, oh iya. Sorry. Ini jadinya are, bukan is. Ini jadinya are, bukan is. Maka dia harusnya incorrect. Number 4, the diagnosis that he heard today were not very positive. Diagnosis is, let me see. Yang is, is it the plural one? The plural one. No. Is it singular? No, plural. Is it singular one? But this, yeah. Ya, yang ini singular. Yang diagnosisnya singular. Diagnosis is singular, jadinya oke, yang ini ya. Karena that he heard today itu klausa. Yes, must be. Yes. Kalau dia were, harusnya was. Okay, number 4 is incorrect. The crisis, singular, is not going to be resolved until some of the pressure is relieved. The crisis, ini verbnya. Crisis itu singular, jadi verbnya is aman ya. Singular. Iya, krisisnya singular.
hujannya apa? Hujannya kalau ini.
All of the alumni are attending the receptions at the president's house. All of the alumni. What about number 6, Miss and Mr.? All of the alumni, where's this one? Semua banyak. All of the alumni. Ini subjeknya, ini verbnya, aman ya Mister? Nomor 6, correct. Flock of geese. Is it a plural of goose?
Tapi main HP.
What about number 7?
Jam berapa? Jam berapa itu Abi? Jam berapa? Boleh.
Yes.
Benar.
Ya, ini correct.
Boleh. 11.
A flock of geese, ini Gisnya plural. Maka yang ini aman. Jadinya yang ini oke, yang ini juga oke. What else? Ini juga oke tadi. Cuci Mister. Number 8. The teeth in the teeth itu plural. Plural dari tooth. The teeth in the back of his mouth needs to be. Ini subjeknya. Ini subjeknya, terus verbnya di sini. Even if we didn't talk about plural atau singular, tapi Miss dan Mister bisa lihat bahwa antara subjek dengan verbnya itu tidak agree. Tidak searah. Walaupun kita Miss dan Mister tidak lihat ini ya, tidak lihat apa namanya, tidak ingat yang plural singular. Tapi ketika Mister lihat subjek sama verbnya, itu nggak searah, nggak sejalan, nggak agree. It's not agreement. Karena yang ini plural. Nah, sementara ini verb buat yang singular. Sehingga kalau misalnya mau pakai that's it, bolehnya need. Kalau mau pakai needs, berarti the teeth-nya harus diganti jadi tooth. Kalau mau pakai needs, kalau misalnya needs nggak mau diganti ya, ini boleh. That tooth in the back of his mouth needs to be a cut. Tapi kalau misalnya Mister mau mempertahankan the teeth, maka yang harus dihilangkan adalah S yang ini. S yang ini harus hilang. S yang di belakang itu harus hilang. Kalau mau mempertahankan teeth. Jelas saja yang ini incorrect. Number 9. The fungi. Let me check. Fungi. Because I cannot figure all of this. Karena fungi ya. Oh, plural. Plural. Fungi itu plural.
Kan ini 4. Kan belum terbuka ini.
Plural. The fungi has spread throughout the garden. Kalau funginya plural, ya. Ya, Mister. Thank you. Kalau ininya plural, sementara ininya kata kerjanya untuk singular. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya mau mengikut fungi itu plural, jadinya jadi have. Kan plural. Number 10, sheepdog is chasing sheepdog. Oh. Sheepdog is chasing after the sheep which are heading over the hill. What about this one? Sheepdog. Come on, yeah, Mister. The sheepdog is chasing after the sheep which are heading by a Okay. There is something. Kasus nomor 9 itu juga sama dengan kasus nomor 8. Kalau misalnya mau pertahankan has-nya, berarti jadi fungus has. Tapi kalau mau mempertahankan funginya, berarti has-nya yang diganti menjadi has. Karena mereka nggak searah, nggak cocok. Satu plural, masa kata kerjanya singular. Ya, nggak sejiwa. Ya, Mister, kurang lebihnya begitu. Nggak sejiwa. Oke, ini yang nomor 42. Nomor 42. Skill 42, Mister. Distinguish the person from the thing. Membedakan ini yang skill yang paling, bukan paling. Menurut Puji paling, bukan paling. Tricky lah. Lebih tricky dari teman-temannya untuk noun. Noun in English can refer to person or thing. Lebih banyak pakai perasaan kalau yang ini. Sometimes in written expression questions on the tuple test, the person is used in the place of the thing. Kadang-kadang katanya orang itu tempatnya diganti jadi bendanya. Benda itu diganti jadi orangnya, ditukar-tukar, ketukar-tukar. Kurang lebihnya kayak contoh ini. Contoh ini Mr. RN, Ralph Nader, is an authorization. Authorization in the field of customary affair. Nah, katanya penjelasannya authorization is it incorrect. Yang ini, kata authorization ini salah. Mestinya digantinya jadi authority. Ini noun juga, ini noun. Bedanya, ini benda, ini manusia. Kayaknya begini. Kalau benda dengan manusia, singkatnya begini. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Kurang lebihnya gitu. Nah, ini authority yang megang otoritinya. Kan? Jadi Nader adalah seorang authority. Enggak, orangnya, personnya, gimana itu? Orangnya. Kalau authorization bendanya. Autorisasi, how to say this one in Indonesia. Itu bendanya, bukan orangnya. Nah, itu yang biasa kadang-kadang ketukar-tukar tempatnya Miss dan Mister. There are many job opportunities in, nah ini juga, akuntan itu bendanya. Sementara bendanya orangnya. Ini ya, akuntan itu orangnya, dan sebenarnya yang bagus, bukan bagus, yang harusnya disimpan di bagian belakang itu adalah bendanya, bukan orang. Is it that is it the skill that's really difficult to make a rules? Buat rulesnya itu susah. Jadi pakai perasaan kadang-kadang boleh. Yang ini boleh, Mister. Karena, nah ini dia, person or thing. There is no specific rules. Tidak ada rules yang spesifik di TOEFL Longman-nya. Adanya cuman it's common to confuse the person with a thing and written. Ya, cuma itu. Kadang-kadang tempatnya orang diganti jadi tempatnya bendanya. Tempatnya bendanya ganti jadi tempat orangnya. That's all. Let's see the exercise. I guess exercise should help you. Yang, oh iya, yang ini nih. Authorization itu salah karena authorization itu adalah benda. Dan nominator itu adalah person. The person authority should be used in the sentence. Jadi sebenarnya ini harusnya diganti jadi authority. Nah, yang ini jadinya authority. Kayaknya gitu. Nah, yang ini, akuntan ini tidak benar karena akuntan ini adalah orang. Jadi there are many job opportunities. Di sana ada banyak kesempatan kerja. Ini akuntan orang. Kita masa di orangnya, maksudnya di bendanya, di accounting sendiri, di posisi itu accounting. Jadi gitu. Itu Mister. There is no specific rules, just feel it. Feeling aja. Miss boleh? Boleh. Gak apa-apa. Why not? We are still here. Masih ada 5 orang di sini, nggak apa-apa. Sharing-sharing, Mister. Really, kadang-kadang saya juga bingung. Ini di exercise-nya. Tapi boleh, nggak apa-apa. Silahkan. Oke, kita lihat dulu. Something ship excavations in the past 10 years. Oke. Oke, mantap. Please a moment. Boleh lah, Mister. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Kita ambil dulu nih pertanyaan Mister. Mister. This question is marked in red. Okay, all the mistakes in the past 10 years. Oh, oke. Mantap. Makasih, Mister. Ya, kita simpan pertanyaannya ya. Kita punya banyak waktu kayaknya. Banyak waktu kita. Oh iya. 10 menit lagi, nggak apa-apa ya. Kita lambat 10. Number 1, in the evening, he relaxed in the front of the fire and write long poets. Okay. Is it incorrect? Can you see why is it incorrect? Poet. It must be poetry. It's not poets. It must be poetry. Puisinya, bukan sajaknya. How to say this one? It must be poetry. It should not poets. Service in the restaurant was slow because one cook one cook had cold and sick. Service in the restaurant was slow because one cook had cold and sick. Is it correct? What? The sculptor worked from sunrise until sunset in his new project. Okay, Mister, come on. Let's answer it together. Number 3. Sculpture. What about this one? Itu sculpture itu orang apa noun ya? Seharusnya ini harusnya jadi orang. Karena titik-titik seseorang bekerja dari sunrise until sunset on his new project. Sculpture. Is there any question? Is there any reasons, Mister? Sculpture. I guess sculpture must be the person. Kalau sculpture itu orangnya, ini mestinya ganti. Sculpture orangnya. Sculpture itu bendanya. Mestinya ganti jadi orang. Kalau jadi orang, dia jadinya apa ya, Mister? Sculpture, TORSC, okay, must be this one. She has received several awards from her research in, ini dia, nomor 4. She has received, dia menerima several awards, hadiah for her several in engineer. Itu engineer orangnya. Berarti nggak boleh ya, Mister. Ini incorrect. Harusnya di bidangnya, bidang bendanya. Mestinya engineering. Karena nggak mungkin orangnya. Masa penelitian dalam orangnya? Number 5. The Economist radical views were printed on the column in the Sunday newspaper. What about this one? Okay, number 5. The Economist radical views. There is no something mistaken in the sentence. Yeah, number 5. Yeah, number 5 is it correct? This is my. I guess is it correct? The economist radical views. Orang-orang radikal viewsnya ekonomi. Oke, boleh bendanya ya, karena bukan orang dia minta. Number 6, you must have remarkable looks to work as a model to work as a model. Number 6 is it correct? There is no something, right? As a model, you must have. Ya, ini juga benar. Looks to work as a model. Ya, bekerjanya pasti sebagai model. Modeling, model orangnya, modeling ranah kerjanya enggak model. Number 7, he had several critiques to overabound. Looks-nya nggak salah, Miss. Oh, coba lihat dulu. You must have remarkable looks. No, enggak. Penampilan. He had several critics. Player. What about number 7, Miss and Mister? Or criticisms? He had several. Is it plural or? He had several criticism or critics. Yeah. Okay. If I'm not a mistake, we must be change this one. Right. He had several criticism to over about the new play. The new play. Okay. I will invite Miss and Mister. Maybe you have the same idea like me or not. Because if it's me, I will change the criticism and about the new play. I also confused about the last one. What about your opinion? Ya, karena critics itu jadinya kata kerja. Iya, boleh. What about the play at the end? Yang bagian terakhir gimana nih, Mister? Oke, Mister Sumarta. Mister. Iya, sama. Puji pikirnya kayak begitu juga. Mestinya kan player, new play. Eh, kalau new, bolehnya new game. Ya, Puji pikirnya di situ di player sama critics. It can be criticism. Baik. Spellingnya benar nggak ya? Criticism, kalau nggak salah. Criticism. If I'm not mistake. Kritik mana ya kritik ya tadi? I didn't find it anymore. Kalau salah nanti Mister, kita koreksi aja nggak apa-apa. So number 7 is it incorrect. Jadi juga merasanya ya playernya play, tidak boleh play. Number 8, the gardener. Yeah, the gardener worker very feverishly after the force to save as many plants as possible. Ya, oke, mantap, Mister. The company. Ya. Ada statistik. Ini orangnya menerima seorang statistik kayak gitu ya, Mister Miss. Gimana nih, silahkan. Ya, harusnya orangnya. Tidak boleh statistiknya. Harusnya orangnya. Oke. Makanya ini kelirunya di sini. Harusnya orangnya ya, Mister. Nggak boleh ilmunya. Number 10, the famous acting. Number 10, the famous acting has appeared in the more than 50 way of plays. Yay. Ya, kira-kira yang perlu ditambahin, dihilangkan yang mana, Mister? Kalau Puji, a famous aktor, aktris. Ya, karena kan orangnya. Oke. Oke, aman kan? That's all. Let's see the next. Nih ada sisa sedikit ya, Mister. Sisa sedikitnya milik Mister. Milik Mister. Oke, Puji mau share screen dulu. Share screen-nya yang ini. Ini Mister, silahkan. Bareng-bareng ya. Ada quotation. This question is marked in red. Katanya titik-titik. Excavation in the past 10 years. What about you? Di tengahnya must be archaeological, or archaeologist. Kita lihat dulu. Sekitar 2.000 tahun sebelum Masehi, at about the same time as the dog, sheep, and the goats. Titik. Okay, what about you, Miss and Mister? I got it. Is it A, B, C, or D? They just need a person. Just need how to say this one? Carikan verbnya ada yang mau dicari untuk jadi subjek. Subjeknya sepaket mulai dari depan. Mulai dari depan. Karena in the past, 10 years boleh di skip. So do I. I also think is it D. But what about another friends? Another Miss and Mister? Bagian yang ini. Archaeologist orangnya. Arkeologi ilmunya. Archaeological is the theory. I don't know for the number B, the part B. Excavations, ini di sini noun apa kata kerja noun ya? Kuncinya C itu, Miss. Oh, ada kunci. Oke, that's why. Ini excavation kata kerja atau kata benda ya? Kata benda. Kalau kata benda berarti cuma itu. Kalau B pasti bukan. Archaeological ilmunya. Jadinya dia adjective. Archaeological excavation. Jadi adjective ketemu noun. Kalau misalnya excavationnya noun. Kalau archaeologist itu orangnya. Which one? Kalau dia orangnya. Have provided evidence that near. Boleh. What about another one? They said the key is C. Kalau dia C, archaeologicalnya jadi adjective, terus excavationnya nounnya. Boleh. What about you guys? Yang lain gimana, Mister? Oke, kalau exhibitionnya noun, berarti memang boleh ketemunya si archaeology. Boleh. Kan ada verb, ya. Bisa. Boleh. Kalau misalnya itu noun, bisa.
Kakak Lara,
Oke.
ingat.
Is there anything else? Oke. Oh iya, Mister. Kalau ada lagi saya